Hi, it's James, aka Batman Fan. This is going to be an unboxing video, something I bought on eBay. Because on the 26th of June, I bought one Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle costume, which was Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Raphael second skin 3D Halloween Stag TMNT costume. Then they were dispatched on the 27th of June. I picked them up on the 2nd of July. So here we go. And as you can see, I've already opened it. So here we go again. So this is what the costume looks like. If I can zoom out, there you go. That's what the costume looks like, and that's what it looks like on the back. And let me just do the front again, just in case you didn't see it the first time. So there you go. So the usual stuff. Please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, please comment on the video, please share the video if you like, and it just leaves me to say until the next unboxing video, it just leaves me to say peace.